Okay. Recording, no problem.
Okay,
See,
sir.
coordinate geometry. So last time we discussed some points. What are just recall the definitions, dear students. After that we discuss. So first of all, centroid. What is centroid? Anyone? Point of intersection of
three medians of a triangle.
The medians.
three medians of a triangle. It is called centroid. So means what here? See, I will share the file if you want. Okay, na? I keep in YouTube. YouTube channel is there, you
Okay,
know.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Trigonometry is there recently uploaded. You can see.
Okay, sir.
E, F. What are these? T, E, F are the midpoints of the sides. BC, CA, AF means AB respectively. So these are intersecting at one point that is called G, centroid.
Centroid.
So how to find? Suppose x1, y1 is given, x2, y2, x3, y3. So what is the formula centroid in one?
X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3, comma Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3.
Okay. Anyone remembering for proof also? Nikila Kirti?
Yes, sir.
Nikila Kirti.
Yes, sir.
Proof
Yes,
is that
sir.
tell me how to solve.
The sum, sir.
Proof centroid. How to find centroid? Say yes or no here. How to derive this one? This formula, average of x coordinates by 3, average of y coordinates by 3. Kirti, do you have any idea?
1 minute, sir. I'm thinking.
Thinking or revising?
No, sir. I don't have notes. That notes is over. I got new one.
Okay, no problem. So first of all, what is the idea? See, Sai, how to solve?
Sir, we should find the coordinates of D, sir.
Yes. That means what here? Midpoint of, okay, it is not reticular, not visible, just a minute. So, midpoint of D, what is the answer? X2 plus X3 by 2, comma, Y2 plus Y3 by 2. Fine. Now, another one. Centroid divides, G divides AD in at what ratio? 2:1 ratio.
2:1 ratio.
Internally. Then what is the formula how to find? So this is the A, x1, y1. G, what is this? D, x2 plus x3 by 2, comma, y2 plus y3 by 2. So 2:1 ratio. Now, what is the formula? Section using section formula, G of x comma y is equal to. So 2 times means 2 times x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1. That is the meaning. Whole divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 times y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 time y1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. It is the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n like that. So what the
Yes,
result is
sir.
coming? 2 to cancel. So as usual, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid. Example.
Yes,
Find centroid of the triangle ABC, whose vertices are, suppose -1 comma 0, 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 6. What is your answer?
Five by 3 comma 3, sir.
Okay. So what is the formula? But first time, whenever you are solving this one, please write the formula, all of you. Okay. So sigma xi by
Yes,
3
sir.
comma sigma yi by 3. So some average of all the quotient means -1 plus 2 plus 4 by 3, 0 plus 3 plus 6 by 3. So what is your answer, dear students?
5/3, 3.
That is the answer. Center of the triangle.
Yes, sir.
After completing, tell me.
Completion.
Okay. Next. In center. What do you mean in center? Anyone? Point of intersection of three internal angular
Angular
bisectors.
bisectors.
Beautiful. Internal point of intersection of three internal angular bisectors of a triangle ABC.
Right.
For example, dear students, A, B, C. So this is the internal angular bisector. For example, so suppose this is D, E, F. So how is that? These are intersecting at I. So one circle is
Yes, sir.
touching all the three sides. That is the meaning. So means what here? Suppose you drop the perpendicular. Radius is always perpendicular to the sides. Why? Because the line touches the circle means that is called as tangent.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose this is some m. dm is how much here? See, that is a radius. Yeah,
So that means in center of a triangle will be the center of the circle drawn in it, sir.
Okay. Once again.
The in center of the triangle will be the center of the circle that touches all the sides of the
Yes,
triangle.
yes. Okay, okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
be careful. That is what here. The circle inside only. Touches the other three sides inside only. Okay, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? Because one more circle is there. That is circumcircle. Don't confuse. That's why if maybe anyone confuse, I'm writing a C carefully. Dear students, IM is radius. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But I is
Yes,
not
sir.
radius. I is outside. Okay, no? That's why M is
Okay, sir.
behaves as a point of contact. Okay. So better here. I is in center. We discuss slowly. No problem. What is the radius? That is in radius. That is the meaning. So, but how to find in radius? Sorry, in center. That is what, no? Suppose if I'm giving here A is missing. Okay, capital A. Okay. So this is x1, y1. For example, x2, y2. Dear students, x3,
Yes,
y3.
sir.
For example. Now, how to find in center? See, I'm writing formula. See carefully. Ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 by. Oh, just a minute. I'm doing. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. Ax1 bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c ay1 plus by2 plus, that is the answer. Sir, what is the ABC? Don't worry about this one. The capital A is there with respect opposite to the capital A, that is called small a. This A represents the side which is opposite to the angle A. What is this? The side which is opposite to the angle B.
Angle B.
What is this?
C.
But how to find
The side
small a, small
opposite
b
the angles.
side? How to find a distance between these two side points BC?
Distance between two points.
How to find distance between these 2 points? If I'm giving these 2 points, how to
Sir?
find?
Yes, sir. Root over x2 minus x1
Beautiful. Yes.
plus y2 minus y1
Whole square. Forget it.
whole square.
Root
Whole
over.
square and whole square. Yes, sir. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Yes. Now you write down. I'm giving one example. After that, I will give one more example. You can solve yourself. Okay. First example I will explain. Write down. Find in center of a triangle ABC. Actually, this concept is useful for 10th class also. Okay. Olympiad especially and 11th class also. Find in center of triangle ABC. Whose vertices are? First two questions we discuss easy level questions. Okay. 0, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 3. How to solve? First to draw the picture. After completing, please tell me.
So should we draw the picture also?
Oh, why not? Without the drawing picture, how can you understand?
Okay, sir.
Now you are saying someone Ritu, someone is typing something.
So, sir,
No, Nikhila.
I have a doubt. Sir.
Tell me no.
So A as in we should find the distance between B and C,
Hmm.
and then that should be multiplied by x1. Like that we should find, sir. Full.
Yes. I will explain now. First example. If you are finishing this one, I will explain.
1 minute, sir. I'll draw.
That's why I'm asking. Nikhila.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I saw your message. What is that? No, ask Ritu and who are they?
Sir, mistake, sir.
Okay. Both are.
Done, sir.
Now see, dear students. So in this case, what is here? This is here. B, C. Okay. Suppose A is choose any one point. Origin. B is 4, 0. C is 0, 3. So what is the value of BC anyone? You know how to find? Apply the distance formula. Yeah. BC is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
5. That is A. So what is the value of AC? 0, 0. That means 3. AB. Apply distance formula.
Yes, sir.
Accepting? Now, here don't take any one x1. Which one is the x1, y1? This is fixed. You should fix this point. Why? Because with respect to, you know. So B means
Sir,
character.
if instead of C, B is there, sir, then that will be x2, sir.
Instead this one x2, y2.
Yes, sir. Instead of here, right side C is there, no, sir. What x?
0,
Instead of C, if B is instead of C, if the B is there, sir, then it will be x2, y2, sir.
Oh, okay, take it. In this case, what I'm saying here, see, I'm drawing one more picture. For example, dear students, if you're taking 0, 3, for example, okay, this is 0, 0. Now, what about this one? 4, 0, for example. Now, which in this case,
yes,
suppose you're taking A, so this one should be x1, y1. Get your point? So this is x2, y2. Why? Because this is the B fixed now. Now, see the diagram?
yes.
The respect B means this one is x2, y2. C means x3, y3, opposite. So, finally, answer is same. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So, how to choose? I'm saying. You can choose x1, y1, anything, but with respect to this one, A is coming. Be careful. Suppose this one you are taking x1, y1. Okay, now, but you are taking A means this is the meaningless. This one should be at the time. This is A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now write down what is the formula. Please write down.
Sir, in this question, you didn't mention 0, 0 is A or 4, 0 is B, no, sir.
I didn't mention anything. That's what I'm saying. You can choose any number.
Yes, sir. So we can take anything, sir.
Anything.
Any pointers, any vertices.
Any point inverse. But with respect to that one, A changing. See, if this is A, for example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir,
A means
understood,
this is small A. Like that opposite.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That is compulsory.
Yes, sir.
Now write down formula. Ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by A plus B plus C. Ax2 ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by A plus B plus C. 5. So what is the A? 5 into what is the x1?
0.
3.
0.
X2 means 4. C means 4. X3, where is X3? 0. By what to do? 3 plus 4
5
plus
plus 3 plus 4.
yeah, 5 plus 3 plus 4. Come correct.
Mm.
We should write like this one without
Oh.
confusion. So A y1, A means 5, y1 is 0. So 5 into 0. B means how much?
3.
Better I can write. So confusing. 4. B 3 into 0
0.
plus 4 into
4 into 3.
so what is the answer? 12 by 12. 12 by 12. What is the
1,
answer?
1, 1.
That is the answer. So after completing, I will give one more question. Tell me. If anybody interested in your friends, please inform your friends. Okay, no? If anyone interested. Questions.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now, shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
The formula is very, very important. Okay, no? No, shall I proceed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm giving one more question. You can practice at home. Can you say the answer now? This free meeting will end within 10 minutes. Sir. What is this here? Okay. Fine. In center. 40 minutes completed. Find in center of the triangle whose vertices are -1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 2. What is the answer? Yeah, which one you want to choose? Let's see what I'm saying here. With respect to this is small a. Getting my point? You have to choose like this one. It is compulsory.
Yes, sir.
Choose a any one point. All of you choose same point. Yeah, what is the point?
-1.
-1, 2.
That means this one should take x1, y1 only. That is fixed.
Yes, sir.
B means
Yes, sir. 0, 3.
that means this is x2, y2. C
Yes,
means
sir. 2, 2.
now you're getting
X3, y3. Sir, if we change the points, the answer will change, sir.
no. That we
Okay,
got, you should maintain the order. Then only answer is not changing. But suppose this is x1
Okay,
y1, this is the x2 y2, but according to that one values are changing. But answer is fixed. N center is fixed always.
Okay, sir.
Order is important. So for first of all, what to do here? What is the BC? Anyone? Distance between these 2 points, what is the answer?
√5.
0 means 4. 3 means 1. Yeah, √5. Beautiful. CA, that is B.
3, sir.
Yeah, 9. This is 2 plus 1 means 9. Plus 0. Okay, 3. But what is speed? AB is equal to C. C is how much?
I'm doing.
1. 1 plus 1. That means √2 is coming.
Sir, what is the formula of distance, sir?
Very good. Yeah, I like you.
Sir, it is an old note, sir.
X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Okay, sir.
Last Sunday, what is special?
Last Sunday, sir.
Sriram.
Friendship day, sir. No, sir.
What is the dish? Did you remember this? What is the dish?
Third, sir. Third, sir.
Sunday. This last Sunday.
Sir, what is the date on that day, sir?
Right out. AB is equal to what is the distance between what is the AB? So 1 plus 2 is coming. Now, see, dear students, what is the formula? Write down. A, what is the A? √5.
A is √5.
B is 3. C is
3.
√2. Now simplify. What the answer is coming? Simplify. Hurry up. Ax1 means √5 into minus 1. So B is how much? 3 into y1 plus √2 into 2 by √5 plus 3 plus √2. That is the answer. Comma √5 into x2 and
2 √5
y1
plus 9.
3 into
9. 3 into 3 plus 2 √2. Like
by,
√2 into 2.
yeah.
√5 plus.
So what is the answer? This is minus
√5
√2 by
plus 2 √2 by √5 plus √2 plus 3.
2
√5 plus 9 plus 2 √2 by √5 plus √2 plus 3.
That is the center. Clear? That is the answer.
Yes.
Find the center of the centroid of the triangle. Triangle ABC. If A 0, 0, B 6, 0, C 0, 9. What is the answer? What is the formula?
X1 plus X2
Sir,
plus
2,
X3 by
3.
3.
2, 3.
Yes, beautiful.
2,
1
3.
plus 5 plus
2, 3 is the correct answer. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Circumcenter. What do you mean circumcenter? Anyone? Point of intersection of
Perpendicular bisectors of a triangle.
is called circumcenter. So means what here? A, B, C. So drop the perpendicular. So this is what S is called what?
Cent
Circumcenter.
Circumcircle means what? Circle is passing
Centroid.
all the vertices of a triangle. Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand? SA is equal to SB is equal to SC is equal to Kepler. Kepler means what? Anyone?
Radius.
Circumradius. You understand? Okay, no?
Yes,
That's
sir.
very important, right?
Yes,
on.
sir.
Circumradius. Circle is passing through all the vertices of a triangle. ABC.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular, right? Now? Hurry up. What do you mean orthocenter?
Intersection of all altitudes of a
Hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, your pen is working here. Point of intersection of
all
the
altitudes.
all the altitudes of a triangle. Orthocenter. Altitude. Orthocenter altitude.
That means A, B, C. Draw the perpendicular.
Point of intersection.
Draw the perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Circumcenter point.
So D, E, F.
E.
Generally, we are taking this one is O or
Yeah.
H. Okay, no? That's the meaning.
Yes, sir.
Now, point is relation among orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter. Anyone? What is that?
Relation, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, G divides.
Last time I told you ONGC, I told you, no?
circumcenter.
ONGC.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir. 2
Uh,
and 1.
Yeah, so
two
remember,
is
each
to one.
So G divides OC in 2:1
2
ratio.
is to 1 ratio.
What is this? Orthocenter, centroid. What is this? Circumcenter. Okay, now.
Yes, sir. Sir, you said in centroid proof, sir, you said we should take 2 is to 1 ratio.
Yes.
Is there any proof for that, sir?
Or what?
2 is to 1 ratio, sir.
No, right. It is there, but right now not required.
Okay, sir.
ONG side is there, Oil Natural Gas Corporation,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
like that.
Hmm.
Dear students, this meeting maybe within few minutes, within 1 minute will be
1 minute, sir.
within 1 minute. Okay, we will
Wow.
rejoin, no problem. But for me, it will take 1 minute. So little time. Okay, no, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
I'm using
Okay,
laptop.
sir.
All of you using mobile?
Computer.
iPad, sir.
Yeah, better.